Rotational symmetry is when the figure is rotated and it matches itself. So what we can do is we can take the star and we can say, okay, it starts here, and every point that looks identical is one line of rotational symmetry. So for instance, we have 4 times that we can rotate it before we get back to our original. Okay, there's something called angle of rotational symmetry. So basically what we're looking for is we're looking for all of the angles that we can rotate it and it be the same exact thing between 0 and 360. Okay, so angle of rotational symmetry would be the angle that I can rotate an object and get back to the original. So think about this. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines of rotational symmetry. So what I can do is I can say, okay, 360, because that's my full rotation, divided by 5 gives me 72. So this is 72 degrees. Another 72 would put me at 144. So this is 144. Really, I guess the 72. Oh, you know how this goes. It doesn't like to... There it goes. This should be right here. Another 72 would put us at 216. Let me check to make sure. I'm drawing a blank here. Yes, 216. And then another 72 would put us at 288. And then another 72, so plus 72, would put us back at 360. Okay, so the thing that I am looking for is I want you to be able to say that the angle of rotational symmetry is 72 degrees. All right, if you can say that, that is all that we need to worry about. I do want you guys to recognize, though, that 72 or 144 or 216 or 288 puts us back at that original picture. We do not consider that 360, though, because all things have 360-degree angle of rotation. If I come down here and do the same thing, I'm going to put a point in the center and then basically put lines out from the center through each one of the angles, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would be 360 divided by 6 gives me 60 degrees. All right. So this would be 60, 120, 180, 240, 300, and then we would get back to that 360. Okay. So my angle of rotational symmetry is 60 degrees. This, I think this is like a peace sign or something. I'm not 100% sure. I don't remember. The problem with this is we could kind of say, if I put a point here and I say like, okay, go into here, it kind of looks the same. However, the black and white part is not the same. So technically, this has no rotational symmetry. If you didn't view the black and white part as different, then you could say like 180 degrees, because that's what that really is. But technically speaking, it is different, so it wouldn't match up. Last one, we got this. I'm gonna go ahead and put a line through here, a line through here, a line through here, and then a line through here. We're cutting it into 4, so 360 divided by 4 gives me 90. So 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Oh, wait. Add that together. That would be 180. 270. And then back to that 360. So back to my original. So my angle of rotational symmetry would be 90 degrees. Okay. Once you guys are done with that, I do want you to practice both reflectional and rotational. So if you look at the other side of your sheet, you'll notice that you have both rotational and reflectional symmetry. So go ahead and practice that. You know, you have some similar problems. So right here, and once you are done with that, come back and I have a video showing you the answers. All right, so once you're done with this practice, come back and click on the video and I'll show you the answers.